Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Interlink latest update. If you're mining this project, you need to take it extremely serious. This project is going to cook, and this project is the project that will give us New Year money because we still have a long way to go. I believe this project is going to do well for the community. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. So make sure you mine your dollar ITLG to secure your human network. Make sure that you are active. Once you claim, you are going to receive your dollar ITLG. So another thing is, make sure that you are active and also claiming your group rewards. Make sure you claim your group rewards. Coming to my group, you can see that people are really active. One person is offline for now, so make sure that you are active so that it will help you to claim at least 180 in a day, which is massive. If you are claiming 180 in a day, you are going to accumulate more dollar ILTG before the listing day. So we are also going to look at the 4 million user participation. It has finally come to an end. We are going to look at the updates concerning that too. When we started this 4 million user celebration, it looks easy, but it wasn't easy. If you spin, instead of getting different letters, you're getting the same number, you're getting the same number. It's frustrating now. And the more you spin and be getting one particular number, you are not getting. Only the one I managed to win was, I think, ITEL. I won ITEL because I completed that one. The rest, I couldn't do anything. So let's go to the inventory. I got letter F 4 times, letter N 5 times, letter I 5 times, S 1, B 2, E 3. So I did not finish it. It was only this Airtel. I did it. I won this one multiple times. So we are going to see the end of it and what an insider said about Interlink upcoming white paper. We are going to look at it. Now let's go to their S account. This is one of their insider, KV, that what he said based on the questions the community has asked about the version, the current version we are using now, the 4.0 version we are using now, and how the white paper and the roadmap, everything we need to know. So this project, the way I'm seeing, is going to be a long-term project because they are not even rushing anything. Look at what he said. What's next after version 4.0? Many people ask whether version 4.0 and the private mainnet that distributes verified ITLG is the end of the project or the highest point of which we can deliver. For me, this is only the beginning. In a market like today, we can proudly say that we are one of the fastest growing projects with the most consistent development and update. From now up until the end of the year or early 2026, we announced very big milestone. So from now till the end of the year or early 2026, they are going to announce a big milestone. That big milestone might be their listing. They said everything will be updated in the next version of the white paper. So they are going to update their white paper and tell us more about the big milestone they have achieved. So this is it, what he has to say. I'm going to their main channel. So here on the channel, they also explain how the ITLS to HCS data flow explain the human network that we are mining. So you need to take your time to read more and know how this HCS and the ITLS to the Interlink ties wallet activities of a verified human network. So you need to read it and know more about it. But from what they said here, they said that HCL draws from two sources, in-app activity and on-chain action, creating a more reliable, manipulation-resistant reputation signal. With ITLS connected to Interlink ID, Meaningful on-chain behavior become part of ACS, turning economic actions into verified human reputation. So this is what you need to know concerning the ITLLs. So here, 5 hours ago, they made an update that the 4 million human node celebration has officially concluded. After 2 weeks of continuous activity across the human network, the 4 million human node celebration has officially come to an end. The event brought together real humans from around the world, generating large-scale engagement and verifiable participation across all layers of the ecosystem. Final event metrics. These are the final event metrics: 10 million spin completed, 1 million 1 million verified participants, 117,000 claim rewards. Then the social momentum, 1.2 million impression and others. So they thank you to everyone who participated, contributed and celebrated this milestone with us. More updates are coming soon as we continue to be the next phase of Internet human power infrastructure. So this is what they said concerning the human network celebration, that's the 4 million user celebration. So if you are mining Interlink, you need to take it extremely serious. And if you have not started, okay, the link in the video description. Do where to start immediately. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.